So, hello everyone, welcome to my session. Today, the sequel of isomerism. In isomerism, metamerism is very important topic. We will discuss today this one. Metamerism. What is metamerism? What is metamerism? Same molecular formula and same functional group, but different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group. Same molecular formula, same functional group, but different alkyl groups present at same functional group. Let's see one example. Okay, C4H10O. C4H10O. First example. This one is CH3O. CH2, CH3. Satisfied now? 1, 2, 3 and one more CH3. Here 2. 1, 2, 3. 4 carbons. 3, 2, 5, 2, 7 and this 3. 10 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Okay. OCH3 and the second structure is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. See here, observe carefully, this is methyl group, okay, this is propyl group, here this is ether group. And this one is ethyl group. This one is also ethyl group. Okay. Here same functional group. O, ether group. Same molecular formula C4H10O. Same functional group. But different alkyl groups. Here methyl and propyl. Here ethyl and ethyl groups. Attached to the same functional group is called metamers, and this phenomenon is called metamerism. These isomers are called metamers and this phenomenon is called metamerism. Generally, metamerism exhibits ethers, but the compound must be 4 carbons present. Ethers and acid anhydride. Primary amines minimum 4 carbon chain, secondary amines minimum 5 carbon chain, and ketones minimum 5 carbons required to exhibit metamerism, and esters also minimum 5 carbons required. So we will discuss one by one clearly. So first one is C4H10 is over. C4H10 is over. Next C5H10O. Second one is C5H10O. C5H10O. CH3, CH2, C double bond O. 5 1, 2, 3, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 10 and 1 oxygen. Now the keto group, this is keto group. Okay, now what happened? CH3, I put C double bond at second position. This is given numbering from left to right or right to left, both are same position. Here left to right, third position keto group, or 1, 2, 3, third position keto group. Both sides are same pattern, 5. Okay, C double bond O, second structure, and CH2, CH3. Here double functional group having least priority as per IUPAC nomenclature. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth carbon, second position. Here third position keto group present, here second position keto group present. Okay, I write one more structure, that is CH3 and C double bond O, CH3, 6 hydrogens and 9 hydrogens, and we required one more hydrogen for satisfaction. 10 hydrogens, 5 carbons and 1 oxygen. Here this is the chain, and numbering given to 1, 2, 3. Okay, these three are metamers. Here see, this is ethyl group, this is ethyl group. Okay, this is propyl group, and this is methyl group. Here see, this is isopropyl group, this is isopropyl group, isopropyl group, this is methyl group. It is satisfied for our definition. Same molecular formula, same functional group, keto, but different alkyl groups attached to same functional group. Ethyl, propyl methyl and isopropyl methyl. Clear? Now we will discuss one more example. C5H10O2. C5H10O2, C5H10O2, C double bond O. Okay, C double bond O, OCH3. Right. C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10, and 1 oxygen, 1 plus 1, 2 oxygens. And here this is ester group, and this one is also functional group. Here ethyl and ethyl present, here methyl and propyl present. Same functional group, here methyl, propyl, ethyl groups are present. So these two are metamers. These two are metamers. Now, and fourth one example is C4H11N. In first structure, carbon NHCC. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, 1 nitrogen, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. So next one is CNHCCC, 3, 4 carbons, and NH, third one is C iso. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, CH3, NCH. Okay, this is also NH is functional group, NH is functional group. This is isopropyl, this is methyl, this is propyl, this is methyl, this is ethyl, this is ethyl groups. Okay, satisfied na as per our definition, right? And fifth one is, this is very important, fifth one is C5H13. So C5H13N. In first structure, CH3, CH2N, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, in second structure, CH3N, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. In third structure, CnCH3, CH3, CH3. So, for example, this is first structure, this is second structure, this is third structure. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. For example, this is nitrogen. This is functional group. Nitrogen present at middle of the chain. This is first position. These 1 and 2 are metamers. Okay, and 1 and 3. 1 and 3 also metamers. Now this one and this one position isomers. 2 and 3 are position isomers. 2 and 3 are position isomers. Clear? So observe carefully. In our question, he gave one structure and identify the stereoisomers or structural isomers. Structural isomers means total position isomers, chain isomers, functional group isomers, metamers. These all are belongs to structural isomers. So please thorough these questions. Whatever the possibilities in our structure, whether it is chain isomers, position isomers or functional isomers, please write down all the structures and possibilities and select the answer, option answer. Okay, these are tertiary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. Next one is total 8 isomers. Okay, this is very important. There is the answer. Okay, I erase this one. And this is sixth one, C4H11N. C4H11N. In this first isomer is 4 carbons, NH2. Second one is NH2 in second position. This is first position, second position, and third one is iso position, and fourth one is neo position, and fifth one is secondary position, and sixth one is NHCC, and seventh one is CNHC. Okay, and eighth one is CNCCC. Okay, these are the 8 metamers of C4H11N. C4H11N. These are the total 8 metamers. So different functional group, different functional groups, and different functional group position, and different alkyl groups present to same functional group. Okay, these are 8 metamers. In this, which one is isomers belongs to chain and position, and identify and write down the structures. Which one is position isomers, which one is chain isomers, which one is functional group isomers. Please identify them. Okay, this is the metamerism of organic chemistry. Next topic, that is very important topic, that is tautomerism. Tautomerism in organic compounds. Tautomerism in organic compounds. Okay, right. See you again. Thank you.